In this scene, we have a player and enemy. If the player comes within the attack range, the enemy will start attacking the player. When the player get attacked, you can see that the player health is decreasing and also has a hit effect on the player. In this video, we will add do damage to player functionality in enemy AI. For implementing this functionality is tricky sometimes, but we will do it a straightforward way. Here we have two scripts. One is health and other is weapon do damage. Health script is added in player and weapon do damage is added in enemy weapon. Inside enemy game object, under the weapon, I have created an empty game object and named it as a weapon do damage and also added a weapon do damage script. And in enemy attack animation, I have enabled and disabled the weapon do damage game object. Inside weapon do damage script, there are some variables for weapon hit radius, damage, and target layer. In the detect hit function, the physics overlay sphere, if anything collide with related to the target layer, will be stored in hit array. If hit array length is greater than 0, then get the health component and take damage. At last, call the detect hit function from the update function. In the health script, I have a variable for health and some variables for hit effect. In the start function, I get mesh render component and default color. In take damage function, decrease health by damage, and if health is less than or equal to 0, then destroy the game object. I have implemented the hit effect using a coroutine. Now you can see that the do damage functionality is working. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below.